Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah Townley. I'm a youth program associate with the University of Missouri Extension in Southwest region. And today I had a request to kind of go through and do a tutorial on how to enroll in the Making the Best Better virtual workshop that we have going on right now. So this tutorial also is just kind of a good walkthrough for how to enroll in an event in 4-H online. This even works for other events, but I'm going to walk you through specifically how to enroll in our Making the Best Better workshop. So I'm going to start by going to my browser here, of course, and then you're going to go to 4-H Online and make sure that you're going to the current 4-H Online website, which looks like this, the 4-H 2.0. So as you can see, this is the login information that I have saved for my staff account on 4-H Online, but I'm actually going to enroll in my family's 4-H account. So I can show you guys what it will look like on your end and how to enroll in an event. All right, so in here you can see this is my family's account, and I'm going to go ahead and you go, don't click on the member that you're looking for. You want to go to the left-hand side and see where it says events and click on that. And then this is the page where all of your events that are available, whether that's an in-person event or a virtual event, or down here you can see 4-H goes online, it's project time, that's the Canvas registration, that's where you go for this. It's you registered as an event. This right here is the event that we're looking for. This is our Making the Best Better Regional Energizer Series. This event is ordinarily held as a one-day in-person workshop at the end of January. But of course, at the time this video is being filmed, it's January of 2021. We are not able to meet in person because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So this is going on online. So this is a event we want to register for. So we're going to go ahead and hit register. And we're going to register me for this event. And again, this is my account where I'm enrolled as a volunteer, not as a staff member. So this is what you're going to see if you are enrolling as a 4-H member or a 4-H staff person, or a member or a volunteer. All right, so this is the member. We're going to enroll me as a adult volunteer, and it'll walk you through pretty much the same thing if you're enrolling your kid. Start registration. And then this will take us to a list. These are a list of the sessions that you can register for. And so for this particular event, we have a lot of sessions that are going to be done by video and or lesson plan, may have some supplemental materials. And then the ones that are labeled as Zoom Live are going to be ones that you register for and then get a Zoom link, and they are live trainings. So the ones that I'm going to register for, let's see, the ones that are listed for Sunday, let's go ahead and do animal science on that day. So we're going to click that, and you can click as many as you want to because all of these are kind of static, self-paced, do it at your own speed sort of thing, other than the Zoom ones, and none of the Zoom ones are going to overlap. So register for as many of these as you can handle. Let's see, I will do ice cream in a bag. You know what, let's also register for regional team council meeting. You know what, let's not do ice cream in a bag. Let's do livestock judging. Maybe we'll do some arts and communications this day, and maybe we'll register in show ethics. Maybe this day we'll do a club officer training. If you're a member, maybe you're a club officer and you want to go through this training, maybe you're a club leader, and maybe you want to host your own training for your club officers, especially, again, during this time of the COVID-19 pandemic. The more we do things in small groups, the better. And then on this last day, let's say I want to do sport fishing. All right, so I've chosen at least one workshop that I want to do each day. And you don't have to do one every single day. If there's not one in particular day that interests you, again, these are select all that apply, all you want to register for. So these are the ones that I'm going to register for. You hit next. And we have the health form. You should have already completed this if you registered. And you guys can see this is my adult release that just tells my health information in case something happens and I have to be taken to the hospital. That kind of thing is more important for in-person events. And then this is your summary. And this is a free event. So we're not going to cover how to pay for an event because it's a free event. So I would encourage you to take advantage of this because this event normally costs $10. And then we're going to hit finish. All right. And then we have, of course, I have another event pending approval on this account, but this is going to go through pending approval. And your county staff person should go through, and especially because this is a free event and they don't have to check and make sure you've paid for it. Your event registration should be approved at the county level pretty quickly. So that is how you enroll in events, and particularly how you enroll in the Making the Best Better Energizer event. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me at sctownley@missouri.edu. Thanks for watching.